If you're tired of waking up with allergies or just want your bed way cleaner, UV mattress vacuums are total game changers. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best UV sanitizing mattress vacuums available right now. I've tested suction power, analyzed real user reviews, and compared sanitization tech. These aren't just hyped up gadgets, they're legit allergy fighters. Make sure to check the links in the description box down below. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Feppo mattress vacuum, and honestly, this thing punches way above its price point. You're getting a 500-watt motor with 16 kPa suction that performs like it costs way more than it actually does. The 253.7 nanometer UVC light, combined with 40,000 Hz ultrasonic waves, delivers that 99.9% effectiveness against dust mites and bacteria everyone's looking for. That high-frequency tapping at 30,000 RPM really gets deep into mattress fibers to pull out the nasty stuff you can't see. What really caught my attention was the 140-degree Fahrenheit high-temperature drying feature. This isn't just vacuuming, it's actively reducing moisture and eliminating odors at the same time. The gravity-sensing wheels automatically control the UV light, so it only activates when touching surfaces. Here's what you should know though. The dual dust cup system, while effective for filtration, requires slightly more frequent emptying than single-chamber models. If you're doing multiple mattresses in one session, expect to pause and empty it once or twice. The value proposition is fantastic. Feppo has 10 years of manufacturing experience, and you're getting advanced HEPA filtration that captures 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns. For anyone dealing with allergies or asthma, that level of filtration at this price is genuinely impressive. At number 4, we have the Jimmy BX5 Pro, and this is the one expert testers actually crowned best mattress vacuum overall. Sleepopolis gave it a solid 4.5 out of 5 rating after extensive testing, which carries serious weight. The 15 kPa suction paired with UVC lighting gives you that professional-grade deep clean. What sets this apart is the stainless steel construction. This isn't flimsy plastic that'll crack after 6 months. You're looking at genuine durability here that justifies the investment. The HEPA filter system catches 99.97% of airborne particles, and the hot air dehumidifying feature prevents moisture buildup in your mattress. That's crucial because moisture creates the perfect breeding ground for dust mites. The automatic UV system is smart. It only activates when making surface contact for safety. Here's the consideration though. This is one of the pricier options on our list. If you're on a tight budget, you might feel the initial sticker shock. However, the build quality and expert endorsement suggest this is a buy-it-once situation. Multiple cleaning modes let you target different levels of grime and dust mites. Whether you're doing routine weekly maintenance or tackling a mattress that hasn't been cleaned in months, you've got the power settings to match. For people serious about creating an allergen-free sleep environment, the BX5 Pro delivers consistent, reliable results. Moving up to number 3, the Ironspire bed vacuum brings something unique to the table. 2 specialized roller brushes that completely change how versatile this machine is. You're getting a soft roller for delicate mattresses and a stiff bristled brush for tackling pet hair on couches. The 650-watt motor delivering 18 kPa suction is legitimately the highest suction power you'll find in this category. That 253.7 nanometer UVC light operates at the professional-grade wavelength used in hospitals, paired with multi-frequency sonic waves that penetrate deep into fabric fibers. What really impressed me was the dual-chamber clog-proof system. While other vacuums lose power as dust builds up, this maintains 55% more consistent suction throughout your entire cleaning session. The 145-degree Fahrenheit warm airstream feels like natural sunlight and even accepts fragrance pods if you want fresh scented bedding. Here's the trade-off though. At 18 kPa, this has the most aggressive suction on our list. If you have very delicate vintage fabrics or loosely woven materials, you'll need to use the lower setting to avoid any pulling or stress on the fabric. The 16.4-foot cord is a massive advantage. You can clean an entire bedroom without unplugging once. That corded design means uninterrupted full-power performance with zero battery anxiety. The one-click empty dust cups make maintenance genuinely effortless, and seeing how much dust and dead skin cells it actually removes will totally shock you. At number 2, we have the Jigu T600, and this is where technology meets user-friendly design. The 700-watt motor delivering 15 kPa suction gives you serious cleaning power, but it's the smart features that really elevate this unit. That smart display screen showing real-time cleanliness index, genuinely helpful. You're not guessing whether your mattress is clean, you're watching the dust levels drop in real time. It takes the mystery out of cleaning and shows you exactly when you're done. The advanced MIF filtration is actually superior to standard HEPA filters, capturing 99.99% of particles at 0.3 micrometers. Paired with 254 nanometer UV waves and ultrasonic technology, you're getting 99% anti-allergen effectiveness. The 140-degree constant temperature heating keeps surfaces dry throughout the process. Here's the trade-off. With all these advanced features and the digital display, there's slightly more technology that could potentially need servicing down the road. It's not a common issue, but more electronics means more complexity compared to simpler models. The silent airflow technology keeps maximum noise at or below 72 decibels. That's genuinely quiet for this much power. You can clean without waking sleeping family members. The dual working modes with smart auto and strong tapping give you flexibility. The double cup design makes disposal clean and easy without dust clouds. The number 1 spot goes to the brand new 2025 Jimmy YB8, and this is genuinely the most advanced mattress vacuum you can buy right now. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a complete redesign from the ground up with features you won't find anywhere else. That patented dual motor design with an upgraded rubber strip roller brush delivers tapping power that digs deeper than any competitor. The 500-watt motor paired with a 240mm ultra-wide nozzle means you're covering more surface area per pass, cutting your cleaning time literally in half compared to older models. The smart dust sensor LED screen shows real-time cleaning progress with a dust index that drops as your mattress gets cleaner. PTC heating reaches 150 degrees Fahrenheit to create that warm, comfortable sleeping environment while eliminating moisture. The UV light technology is leak-proof and safe around kids and pets, tested safety extensively. Here's what to consider though. As the newest 2025 model, this sits at a premium price point. If you're just casually cleaning once a month, you might not need every cutting-edge feature this offers. But for allergy sufferers or homes with pets, the efficiency gains literally pay for themselves in time saved. The dual cyclonic filter system maintains powerful suction throughout your entire cleaning session without any fade out. The negative ion emitter continuously releases ions even after you finish cleaning, keeping your bedroom air fresher for hours. Real early adopters report this completely eliminated their morning allergies within 2 weeks of daily use. That's life-changing for people who've suffered for years. That's my top 5 UV mattress vacuums that actually deliver results. Each one brings something unique depending on your needs and budget. Remember to check those description links for current pricing and deals. Clean sleep is better sleep. Your allergies will thank you. Thanks for watching.